Hi all, welcome back. I've got unboxing today from Louis Vuitton. Obviously just arrived today and I'm so excited. This is the hard to get item that I turned down in May, but I kept thinking about it and I sent my SA a text to get one for me again. So can you guess what's inside? Now let's open this. Can you guess? Here is the strap, and yes, I've got the Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy, the hard to get item at this moment, and I turned down this one on May when my SA brought it to me. Not this one, this is another one. The other one was sold and I kept thinking about it and I decided to send my SA, my CA, another text to ask her to help me get another one of this, and I'm so happy that she could get one for me in short period of time. Here is the model number and here is the Speedy Nano. It's very tiny but super cute. The strap cannot be detached from the back. That was my concern when I turned down this bag, but anyway, if I kept thinking about it, then it means I should get one, right? So here is the inside. And here is the cue card. And here is the tag. Mine is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. So it is a very small bag. My phone cannot get inside easily. It still can fit, but I have to struggle. That's one of the reasons I turned back this bag back in May. But after a lot of thinking, I decided to get it because my phone still fits anyway. So let me show you. Here is my phone. It is the Samsung Note 8. It's 6.3-inch phone. Practically the size of the bag, the length. I will show you how hard it is to fit this phone inside. I have to maneuver it and do this so the phone would fit. It fits, as you can see, but it's a struggle to get this phone in and out of the bag. But as long as the phone fits, I'm good with it. So yeah, that is my new Nano Speedy. I've got a lot of questions on my Instagram DM regarding why I could get this bag, this hard to get bag, in short period of time. I don't know what my CA did to get me one, but I'm so grateful that she did for me. And yeah, this one is still a hard to get item where I live, but I managed to get one thanks to my CA. That's all I can say. Anyway guys, that's all for today. Thank you for your time and hope to see you again soon, guys. Okay, I will show you how hard it is to get the phone out. So I have to do this maneuvering thing like this, and the phone is out. Here is the overall look of this bag. I think I'm going to do what fits inside this cutie, hopefully soon. Thank you for your time, guys, and see you again soon. Bye.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out.